Why does mitosis matter? Well, for one thing, it's how you grew. The growth of multicellular organisms is entirely due to mitosis. You started as one cell. That cell divided, and divided, and divided trillions of times. That's mitosis at work. Mitosis produces daughter cells that are genetically identical to each other into the parent cell. Each daughter cell is an exact genetic copy. That genetic fidelity is crucial. If daughter cells had different genetic information, an organism would be falling apart from the inside. Instead, through mitosis, you maintain consistency throughout your body. Here's something you might not think about. When a cell grows, the nucleus doesn't grow at the same rate as the cytoplasm. The ratio between nucleus and cytoplasm gets disrupted. That's actually a problem. The nucleus controls the cytoplasm. It sends out signals, provides instructions. If there's too much cytoplasm relative to nucleus, the cell doesn't function well. So cell division solves this problem. By dividing, the cell creates two smaller cells, each with a proper nucleus to cytoplasm ratio. It's a homeostatic mechanism, a way of maintaining balance. And then there's cell repair. Your body is constantly replacing worn-out, damaged, or aged cells. The cells on the outer layer of your skin being replaced constantly through mitosis. The cells lining your gut being replaced frequently. Your blood cells, red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, all being produced constantly through mitosis. Every second of every day, millions of cells in your body are dividing to replace cells that have been lost. That's mitosis at work, maintaining tissue health and homeostasis. For plants, there's a special significance. Plants have regions called meristematic tissues. The apical meristem is found at the tips of growing shoots and roots. The lateral cambium is found along the stems and roots. In these meristematic tissues, cells are constantly dividing by mitosis. That's why plants can keep growing throughout their entire life. A tree can keep adding new branches, new roots, new height. That's meristematic mitosis at work.